As you know, you are being tasked with creating a Prezi today. So we are going to take you through the steps for creating a Prezi. So from your student activity guide, you will find a link to the Prezi website right here. So you just click on Prezi and it will take you to their website, and you've already got a login. So you'll go to the login page and put in your username and password. And it will take you to all of your Prezis, and you are going to start a new Prezi. Once you get in to the templates, you'll be able to choose from a whole bunch of existing templates, and you can also create your own, but for right now we're just going to use this template. Okay, so you know that this Prezi is about a hurricane from history that you're going to research and talk about how it developed and its effects on people and property. So for right now, we'll just say that you're doing Hurricane Katrina. Okay, so you'll title your Prezi, and then you will be able to go in and create slides. So we'll say that we'll name the first slide The Birth of Hurricane Katrina, okay? And then you would be able to research and find out information about how Hurricane Katrina developed, you know, in which ocean did it develop, and then say you want your next slide to be about the damage that Hurricane Katrina caused, okay? And then you'll be able to add text about the damage that was caused. All right, now let's call this next slide the issue. So what were some of the issues that made Hurricane Katrina so very disastrous? So now let's look at how you're going to insert the two images that you need to include in your Prezi. All right, so first you'll go up to Insert at the top, and then you'll select Image, and you can either select files from your computer already, so I'd go down to my photos and then select which picture I wanted, or you can search for images on the web. So I've already got it in here, but let's try it again. Hurricane Katrina, you'll search for it, and then you'll get all of these Google image searches. So let's say I want to use this image and I want to pull it into the damage slide. Okay, so then I can resize this image by clicking on this little minus symbol. Okay, so now I've got one of them. All right, and so remember that we also need to include at least two ideas for how the authorities, the government, or civilians, the people who are living in these areas that are affected by hurricanes, how they could have, things that they could have done to limit the damage that was caused by these hurricanes. So let's say that we want to add another frame down here. So what I did was I went up to frames and arrows and I said draw a circle frame, but you could draw a rectangle frame or an invisible frame as well. So let's do another one. So I want to put an idea right here for how, you know, what we think. I want to make this yellow. Idea number one. Oopsie. Okay, so let's see. What do we think an idea could be for what people could have done to make this a little bit less damaging? All right, so maybe the city of New Orleans could have reinforced the levees, right? Okay, so there's one idea. Yes, I want to go to idea number two, and then you would do the same thing, and you can also add images to these slides as well. So then when you've got your Prezi the way that you'd like it, you can check it out. You can go to Present, and then you'll be able to click through it. You can either use the arrows on your keyboard or the ones down at the bottom of the screen. So here we see all of our slides are ready. Okay, and then we'll get out of that screen. So you've got it all done. Your next step is to share it with your teacher. So you go up to Share at the top right, and you'll select Share Prezi, and then you will add your teacher using his or her email address. So we'll see that I want to add Miss Leanne. So I'll start putting in Miss Leanne's name. I can select her email, and then I'll go ahead and add. She's already in the list, so she's got this one already, but that is how you will add your teacher. All right, so go forth and conquer, have fun, and we'll see you at the end.